or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another eyeshadow look with the BPerfect Carnival Antidote palette. If you haven't seen the video that went up just before this with another look, go ahead and check that out first. This look, I'm going to just try to use, I think I just want to use like the colors like here, because I am wearing a pink sweater. I want to feel cozy today. And for some reason, wearing a hoodie makes me feel like I'm just being hugged all day because it's just like warm, it's thick, and I need that right now. So I'm going to attempt to try at least to have like pinkish colors so that it goes along with my hoodie, because I do like my makeup to match whatever I'm wearing, even if I'm just dressed down and casual in sweats, leggings, or hoodie. All right, so we're gonna go in with, okay, so the colors I think I'm gonna use are going to be here. So we have Bonbon, which is this pink here. We have Sweet Cheeks, we have Fuego, and then we have Pecan. So I think these four colors I'm gonna use. And then we have Cutie Pie, which is this glitter. I may use maybe my inner corner. I don't know. We shall see. But let's go ahead and jump into, okay, I don't know what color I'm gonna take on my lid. I think I'm gonna do Sweet Cheeks first, which is the deeper color. And I haven't finished my face. I'm just letting that set there. Okay, so first I tap the color on, and then I'll start blending it out. So I'm still tapping here just to kind of get that pigment. And then we're gonna take Bonbon, which is the lighter pink, and then I'm gonna use that on the outer edge, just softly. And just softly swirl that around on the outer edge. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a brush like this, and I'm going to go into Pecan and just deepen up the crease area. And just swirling it around, kind of blending that up so that it blends into the crease and doesn't look so harsh. All right, now I kind of feel like I want to go in a different direction. I just don't know what I want to do on my lid. There's a color here, Oyster, and then we have Cutie Pie. So actually I might fill in my lid with Cutie Pie and then dab some Oyster on top. So let me swatch it for you. So here's Cutie Pie, and then here's Oyster. So this is Cutie Pie, and that's Oyster. I'm not going to cut my crease, so let's go into Oyster. I have it on my brush. I'm just going to use my rose water spray. And I kind of use a shadow to cut my crease. Okay, actually, let's put Oyster on the inner corner. for my lower lash line, I'm going to take Pecan and Sweet Cheeks together. And now all I really need to do is eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, and fix the rest of my face and then come back. Alright, so this is a completed look. For my lips, I did something different. I feel like I'm always picking up my Jordana lip liner and like using this. So this time I used this Essence lip liner in Honey Berry. And then over top I used the NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this is the color Apple Dumpling, which I really like, and it smells good. Alright, so I feel like this look was pretty simple. It's nice, it's pink, it matches what I'm wearing. And I was able to do it using this Carnival Antidote palette. And even though the pink in here wasn't that bright, it still kind of works with what I have on. I didn't wing out my eyeliner. I just stopped it here and then did my mascara just to keep it simple so that the eyelid is more noticeable. Of course, my inner corner highlight. So go ahead, comment down below what you think of this look. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.